let us understand our cross multiplication method using different equations. So this is our problem. We have two linear equations. So how you would apply cross multiplication on these equations, right? So step number 1, everything should be on the left hand side, and on the right hand side you must have a 0. So step number 1 would be, you can write your first equation as 2x plus 3y minus 17 is equal to 0. And your second equation would be 3x minus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0, right? Now your step number 2. Step number 2, write x, y and 1 and write coefficients of x. In first equation you have 2, in second equation you have 3. Coefficients of y, in first equation you have 3, in second equation you have minus 2. Constants, minus 17 and minus 6. Now just cross multiply. Step number 3. Step number 3 was x divided by, leave this column and this row. So you are left with this part. Let me just highlight for you. You are left with this part. Okay. And you would cross multiply this. You would get 3 into minus 6. This would be 3 into minus 6 minus 2 into minus 17. What about y? This y. On y, what would you do? For y, you would just leave this part and this part. Now you would cross multiply this 2. Let me just do this y part differently. Okay. Let me just erase it for you. Now let us calculate y. For y, you would leave this part, this row and this part, and cross multiply the rest. So this is minus y, 2 into minus 6 minus 17 into 3. Okay. So this is y part. Now let us calculate the constant part. So for constant part, what you will do? You will leave this part. So for constant part, what you will do? You will leave this row and this column part, and rest you would cross multiply this and this. So equal to 1 divided by 2 into minus 2 minus 3 into 3. Now fourth step, just solve it. So x divided by what? X divided by, you have 3 into minus 6 minus 18 minus 18. Sorry. So x divided by what you have. Now let us just let us calculate the value of x and y. Now let us solve the denominator part of all. So we get x divided by minus 18 6 3s are 18. This is minus 18. Minus, minus, minus. So you have 3 minus. That means negative. 17 2s are 34. So this would be minus 34. That is equal to minus y divided by. So minus y divided by 6 2s are 12. Minus 12. Minus minus plus 17 3s are 51. So this would be minus y divided by 6 2s are minus 12 and 17 3s are 51. Minus minus plus. So this would be minus y minus 12 plus 51 equal to 1 divided by what? So 1 divided by 2 2s are 4 minus 4 and 3 3s are 9. Minus 4 minus 9. So you would get minus 4 minus 9. Now let us further solve this. X divided by minus 18 minus 34. What would be minus 18 minus 34? So this would be minus 52. Minus 18 and minus 34 is minus 52 equal to minus y divided by what? 39. 51 minus 12 is 39 equal to 1 divided by what? Minus 4 minus 9 minus 13. Now you would compare x with the constant and y with the constant. So x divided by minus 52 is equal to 1 upon minus 13. So x is equal to minus 52 upon minus 13. Minus minus would cancel out and 13 fours are 52. So your x is 4. Now let us calculate y. Now for calculating the y part, you would compare this and y and the constant. So this would be minus y divided by 39, that is equal to 1 divided by minus 13. Just cross multiply this. So y is equal to minus 39 divided by minus 13. Minus minus would cancel out. 13 3s are 39. So y is 3. This way you got the value of y as 3, right? Now let us do one more linear equation problem on this. So you have these two equations. So your first step would be all the values should be on the left hand side and on the right hand side you must have a 0. So first step you would write it as equation 1 ax plus by minus a minus b on the left hand side, so that would be negative is equal to 0. Bx minus ay minus a plus b on the left hand side, so this would be equal to 0. Step number 2, you would write x, y. What would be your step number 2? So what would be your step number 2? In step number 2, you would write all the values of all the coefficients of, in step number 2, you would write all the coefficients of x, y, and 1. So coefficient of x is a in the first equation and b in the second. Coefficient of y is b in the first equation and minus a in the second. Coefficient of 1, constant कौन से हैं? Constant we have a minus b and minus b plus b, right? So this is our step number 2. Step number 3. Step number 3, we would be writing x divided by cross multiply this b into minus b into a plus b minus. So minus minus would plus and you have one more minus. So that would be minus a minus b into a equal to minus y. Minus y divided by what? Let me just write this down. Now what would be your y? Now what would be your y? Equal to y minus y divided by a1c2 minus a into a plus b minus c2a1 b into this, and this is minus. So minus minus plus b into a minus b equal to 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a square minus b square. Okay. Now let us further calculate this. X divided by what? X divided by b. Take b inside. Minus b into a minus ab and minus b square. So this would be minus ab minus b square. And take a inside. So a into a is a square and a into b is ab. So minus ab. And you have one more minus. So minus a square. So this would be minus a square minus a equal to minus y. Minus y divided by minus a into a is minus a square and minus a into b is minus ab. So this would be minus a square minus ab minus b into a minus b. So it would be ab minus b square. So we don't have minus, we have plus ab minus b square, right? ab minus b square. And 1 is 1 divided by minus a square minus b square. So take minus outside and you are left with a square plus b square. So this would be x divided by, solve this minus ab plus b square minus a square plus ab, that is equal to minus y divided by minus a square ab minus, here it is minus, it is plus, एक जगह माइनस है एक जगह प्लस है, कट हो जाएगा. So you are left with minus ab a square minus b square equal to 1 minus a square minus b square plus का minus you took outside. So here x divided by minus ab, यहाँ पे minus का, यहाँ plus का, कट हो जाएगा. So you are left with this b is minus b square minus a square equal to minus y upon minus a square minus b square equal to 1 upon minus a square plus b square. Take minus outside from this. So this would be x divided by minus a square plus b square, y minus y divided by minus a square plus b square, and this is also 1 divided by minus a square plus b square. Okay, minus minus cancel out. So what would be the value of x? Just compare this and this. So this would cancel out, whole would cancel out, so x is 1. Compare this for y. So this would cancel out and you are left with minus. So y is minus 1. So x is 1 and y is minus 1. I hope you like this and you understood everything about this linear equation, whatever we discussed. So I would request you to like, subscribe, and follow our channel. Please share in your friend circle. Also, if you want to join our live classes on mathematics, you can join on the link provided in the description below. You would get practice worksheets after each class and regular tests would be there. So you can join easily our online live classes. Thank you.